Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of budget apps, specifically the best options to consider in 2025. With so many choices available, it can be overwhelming to find the right app that fits your financial needs. In this video, we'll explore a variety of budget apps that not only help you track your spending, but also empower you to save more effectively. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking to get a better grip on your finances, there's something here for everyone. We'll highlight key features, user experiences, and how these apps can simplify your budgeting process. So, stick around as we uncover the top budget apps that can transform your financial journey and help you achieve your money goals this year. Why budgeting is essential. Budgeting is a crucial aspect of personal finance management that can significantly impact your financial well-being. By tracking your expenses, budgeting allows you to see where your money is going, helping you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This financial awareness fosters a sense of control over your spending habits, empowering you to make informed decisions. Moreover, budgeting plays a vital role in achieving your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. When you have a clear plan in place, you can allocate your resources more effectively, ensuring that you stay on track. Ultimately, budgeting not only helps you manage your current finances, but also sets the foundation for a more secure and prosperous future. Top budget apps overview. For 2025, several budget apps stand out for their unique features and user-friendly interfaces. First up is Mint, known for its comprehensive expense tracking and budgeting tools that sync with your bank accounts. Next, we have YNAB, You Need a Budget, which focuses on proactive budgeting, helping users allocate every dollar effectively. Then there's Pocket Guard, which simplifies budgeting by showing how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills and goals. Lastly, we'll discuss EveryDollar, which offers a straightforward approach to zero-based budgeting. Throughout this video, we'll dive deeper into each app, exploring their standout features, user experiences, and how they can help you take control of your finances. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which app might be the best fit for your budgeting needs. App 1. Mint is a leading budgeting app renowned for its robust features that make managing finances a breeze. One of its standout capabilities is expense tracking, allowing users to link their bank accounts and automatically categorize transactions. This feature helps you see where your money is going in real time. Additionally, Mint offers bill reminders, ensuring you never miss a payment and helping you avoid late fees. Users can easily create personalized budgets and set financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt. The app provides insightful reports and tips to keep you on track. User experiences have been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its intuitive interface and comprehensive tools. Mint consistently receives high ratings, making it a top choice for anyone looking to take control of their finances effectively. App 2 YNAB, or You Need a Budget, takes a unique and proactive approach to budgeting that sets it apart in the coming years. Unlike traditional budgeting methods, YNAB encourages users to allocate every dollar they earn, promoting a mindset of intentional spending and financial planning. This method helps users prioritize their expenses and save for future goals effectively. YNAB also offers a wealth of educational resources, including workshops and tutorials, designed to enhance users' budgeting skills and financial literacy. The app's community support is another standout feature, with forums and social media groups where users share tips and experiences. Testimonials from satisfied users highlight how YNAB has transformed their financial habits, leading to increased savings and reduced stress. Overall, YNAB not only provides a budgeting tool, but also fosters a supportive environment for financial growth. App 3. Pocket Guard is an excellent choice for those seeking simplicity in budget management in 2025. One of its key features is the In My Pocket tool, which shows users exactly how much disposable income they have left to spend after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. This straightforward approach makes it easy to avoid overspending. Pocket Guard also automatically categorizes expenses, allowing users to track their spending effortlessly without manual input. This feature helps users identify spending patterns and make informed adjustments. Security is a top priority for Pocket Guard, employing bank-level encryption to protect user data and transactions. Additionally, its user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to budgeting can navigate the app with ease. Overall, Pocket Guard combines essential budgeting tools with a focus on simplicity, making it a favorite among users looking to manage their finances effectively. App 4. Good Budget is a standout digital envelope budgeting app that brings a modern twist to a classic budgeting method. The envelope budgeting system involves allocating specific amounts of money to different spending categories, or envelopes, to control expenses. Good Budget implements this method by allowing users to create virtual envelopes for various categories, making it easy to track spending and stay within budget. One of its key features is the ability to sync across multiple devices, making it perfect for family budgeting. This means that all family members can access and update their budgets in real time, promoting collaboration and accountability. User reviews consistently praise Good Budget for its simplicity and effectiveness, highlighting how easy it is to set up and maintain. With its intuitive design and practical features, Good Budget is an excellent choice for anyone looking to embrace envelope budgeting in a digital format. App 5. EveryDollar is a powerful budgeting app that embraces the zero-based budgeting approach, where every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose, leaving no money unaccounted for. This method encourages users to prioritize their spending and savings, ultimately leading to better financial control and reduced waste. One of the standout features of EveryDollar is its ease of use. The app allows users to create budgets quickly and intuitively. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with bank accounts, enabling automatic transaction imports for effortless tracking. Users have shared inspiring success stories about how EveryDollar has transformed their financial situations, from paying off debt to building substantial savings. Many appreciate the clarity and accountability that the app provides, making it easier to stick to their budgets. Overall, EveryDollar is an excellent choice for anyone looking to implement zero-based budgeting effectively. Comparing features and pricing. When choosing the right budgeting app, it's essential to compare features and pricing. Mint offers comprehensive expense tracking and bill reminders for free, making it accessible for everyone. YNAB, with its proactive budgeting approach, costs $14.99 per month or $98.99 annually, but offers a free trial for new users. Pocket Guard simplifies budgeting with its In My Pocket feature and is available for free, with a premium version at $34.99 per year for additional features. Good Budget uses the envelope budgeting method and offers a free version with limited envelopes, while the Plus plan costs $7 per month or $60 annually for unlimited envelopes. EveryDollar provides a free version with basic features, while the premium version, which includes bank integration, is priced at $129.99 annually. By evaluating these features and pricing models, you can determine which app best suits your budgeting needs and financial goals. Conclusion. In this video, we explored some of the best budgeting apps for the coming year, each offering unique features to help you manage your finances effectively. Mint excels in expense tracking and bill reminders, while YNAB promotes a proactive budgeting philosophy. Pocket Guard simplifies spending with its In My Pocket feature, and Good Budget brings the traditional envelope budgeting method into the digital age. EveryDollar focuses on zero-based budgeting, making it easy to allocate every dollar you earn. Remember, the best app for you depends on your specific financial goals and preferences. We encourage you to choose the one that aligns with your needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these budgeting insights. Stay tuned for more content to help you take control of your finances.